5 hours, 53 minutes, and 2 seconds. Woo! Told you. I wasn't lying. I was truthful, wasn't I?
I don't follow rules and they don't like that. I was skipping school to get my sack right.
Peace, love, and blessings to everybody out there. Welcome back to the channel Just Like That. Today, this episode is brought to you with the great hike on the Emerald Mtn. Steamboat has a lot of great places to offer as far as hiking goes, mountain biking, a lot of great trails that you can hike. And today, this one is brought you at Emerald Mtn. Don't forget to like and subscribe, man. Support your boy. All right, I'm not even going to waste no time. We're going to get to it. Just like... The drive wasn't too bad, you know, getting down here. And you make a left on 13th and Lincoln, another left 13th and Gilpin, then a left on Gilpin and Sarasota. Wait, isn't 3 lefts a right? After that, man, you just make another right. You can't miss it. I will show you because I already took all the videos, so I can show you all the turns where you gotta go. Oh, I'm already tired. Woo! This is gonna be fun. I shouldn't have went to the gym before this. That was a bad idea. Been on this hike just going, man. But look what I just saw. What up, y'all? So I just want to show you something real quick. If you've been watching my videos for a while, remember the House and Hill videos? Well, this is right behind it, man. Exactly where this mountain is. Emerald Hike. I see views. I've been hiking this Emerald Trail for maybe what, 5-7 minutes? Something like that. And let's just say I'm not prepared for this. Physically, I am. Mentally, I got to work on that. But Steamboat has a lot of good trails here where people love to go hiking. You can also mountain bike on these trails as well. Most of them cost nothing. Some of them you may see a parking meter there, orange parking meter. And that means, you know, they're just simply asking for a donation. So if you want to, you could donate. It's not required, but, you know, help the town out, keep this place beautiful for you to come here when you visit and have these beautiful trails. I'm not gonna talk too much because I'm out of breath. Yay. So turn this camera around, let y'all see this trail right now. Just a little update in case y'all were wondering. Been on this hike for like 20-25 minutes. Honestly, it feels like 8 years, 6 months, 5 hours, 53 minutes, and 2 seconds. Woo! But we're gonna do this, all right? Until I see y'all again. We get a little bit of what I'm looking at right now. Not too much, but look at that sunset. I'm gonna see y'all back, just like, what do you know? It's a gnome in a tree. Know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? This video might just be on a race to catch the sunset. Cause I just might miss it. But I won't. I gotta show this to y'all, alright? I can't let y'all down. You know what I'm talking about? I told you. I wasn't lying. I was truthful, wasn't I? But we gotta go. Hiking on up there. All right, y'all. We're almost up to the quarry where I wanted to take y'all. This is the trail. Okay, look. Now we're about to make the grand ascent, y'all. The grandest ascent. Descent. I ain't going down, I'm going up. Oh man, this is one of the best, man. Oh, ain't this beautiful, y'all? Ain't it beautiful, y'all? All right, let's keep walking. Man, this is just so good. All right, I'm going. I'm running, y'all. Who running with me? You gotta run. Some of y'all just sitting down right now watching this. You ain't do nothing in a while. You gonna sit down, waste your life, waste the time that you got here, knowing it's limited. Run and get up to your dreams, man. Run and chase your goals, man. They ain't gonna come to you there. Whew. I'm feeling it. I ain't running no more. And I ain't fretting for the camera either. Jesus! Help me. Help me, please. Battery's about to die. All right. Almost to the top. Gotta do it. I can't. Mama ain't raised no bee, you know? Keep going to make it to the top, baby. Only one way when you're at the bottom, to go up. Here we go. We're almost there. Just when you feel like you're about to give up, that's when the top is right there. You're about to reach the goal, and you messed it up. All right, stop it. Huh? You messed it up by giving up. See what not giving up gets you? Ultimate freedom to do what you want. Be who you want. Let's go. Jesus, I'm tired. And this is the quarry. I never quite went back. One day, we're gonna go up there again. Would you look at it? Just look at it. We just came from the bottom down there. All the way to the top, baby. All the way to the top. I'm so tired. Look how sweaty I am. Oh, God. I'll take a break and come back. Hey, man, this is beautiful up here. Be back to y'all, man. Quicker than you can say just like. Looks so good. Gotta come here, man. It's a must-see when you come to visit this place, man. Steamboat Springs have a lot of great views too, as you can see over there. The entire town right there. guy in front of me is just enjoying life. I love it. All right, y'all. So I'm about to wrap this video up, man. I'm taking the walk down, you know, back to the vehicle to go home. Don't forget to like and subscribe when you see this video, man. I appreciate y'all for watching my content, man. All right, and you already know who it is, what channel it is, baby. You know what it is. Say with me, just like that. All right, so my battery's gonna die, right? So I'm gonna just film this walk down until it dies. It all dies. Oh, I gotta give y'all a beautiful moon. I ain't gonna give y'all, it's a full moon today, baby. Look at that thing. All right. Let's see how many. So I got 5%. Let's see how long this thing's gonna get. 5%. If y'all can still see what it is. Careful, baby. Yeah, so I think this whole hike is like 30 minutes, man. Depending on your stamina and your physical, you know, level, it may take you a shorter or a longer period of time. But it's a fairly easy hike to do, man. And like I said, don't in the summertime, you know, you will, and the wintertime too. Oh, it's dying. Bye, guys.
I don't follow rules and they don't like that. I was skipping school to get my set